Hey everyone, my name is LibMarie and welcome to this week's Geeksvana drone news update.
Geeksvana is your drone channel.
Some good news. Over the next few weeks, I will be hosting the new drone news update. You might have seen me around the Geeksvana channel already. If not, then maybe through my TikTok or my Instagram page under LibMarie_X. Very important. Check me out. Here are the stories coming up in today's episode. Let's get straight into it. I guess, why else would we be here? First up, Autel Robotics have taken to Twitter this week to warn prospective purchasers of their new Evo II drone that some companies quoting upcoming delivery dates and rumours of stock dealers are not correct. Get it right! The upcoming drone has caused ripples in the hobby since the first appearance with selected YouTubers around the time of CES 2020, with what Autel describes as a first portable 8K camera. The drone will be available initially in a number of models, around $1,500. Autel even tweeted, "Attention to our pilots and Autel Robotics fans. It's come to our attention that there are many different online retailers taking pre-orders for Evo II that are claiming shipment and availability of Evo II units. On behalf of all Autel Robotics USA, please be aware that our authorized dealers have not yet received units to ship and do not have a ship date at this time. Interested buyers are urged to check with Autel whether a pre-order seller is legitimate." It has been a hectic couple of weeks out there, so it is no surprise that the interview given by the Secretary of State for Transport, Grant Shapps, has fallen down the news agenda. Regular viewers of Geeksvana will remember that Mr. Shapps dropped a bombshell during a trip to the USA, where he confirmed that the UK will be leaving EASA at the end of the year as part of the UK's departure from the EU under Brexit. Many in the drone industry and hobby were expecting the UK to remain a member after Brexit, but as it now seems, the UK is headed for the door. However, this does not mean we are going to be dropping upcoming regulation changes due to take effect July 1st, 2020. What form these take following departure from EASA is subject to negotiation, like everything in life, but we fully expect the new EASA regulations to at least mirror the CAA. To find out more about how these new rules will impact you and your drone, click in the link in the description to our EU drone laws playlist. Also, keep an eye out on the channel for a new upcoming video from my main man Sean, where he takes an in-depth look at the future of UK drone regulations, including direct feedback from the CAA, drone training experts and others within the hobby. To make sure you hear about that video and others, please consider subscribing to get the latest drone news first. From what? Hit that notification bell. You know you want to. Over the pond from UK drone regulations, the US Air Force have awarded funds to a specialist software company specialising in GPU accelerated data processing of drone imagery to make maps, called Aerial Applications. The programme gives the software firm 4 years and $6 million of research and development funding to help advance the development and environmental monitoring bolstered by artificial intelligence. To support an Air Force Installation and Mission Support Centre Innovation Initiative. Aerial Applications expects to develop artificial intelligence and mapping analysis tools. Skynet, anyone? Because we love you, we have published a couple of videos recently focusing on the issues surrounding the Microdrone 4.0, and in particular, the frustrations of the backers when looking to gain information and refunds from the founder of the campaign, Vernon Kerswell. The latest news surrounds chargeback claims. It appears that a growing number of backers are having success in achieving a refund this way. Go you! Kind backers have recently forwarded us evidence of Indiegogo confirming their loss of appeal against chargeback and issuing refunds. It has also been confirmed that Indiegogo hold around 5% of the campaign funds, which are intended for issues such as chargebacks and fraud. This 5% confirmed directly with Vernon Kerswell by the awesome Geeksvana. Although what happens to successful claims which is run beyond this withheld amount is something we are seeking clarification on. Sean and everyone at Geeksvana would like to thank everyone who has chosen to step forward and provide information on this issue. We are aware that right now it is a difficult and frustrating time. As promised, Geeksvana are and will continue to gain as much information on the crowdfunding campaign as possible, and we expect to release a lot more information very soon. For more information on any of today's stories, please check out the description below. I'll see you next time.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.